In this video you'll see how to set up your Razor Power Core E100 scooter. Remove all items from the box. Before you assemble your scooter, make sure all packaging is removed from the unit. You will have a plastic bag containing your instructions, Allen key and charger. Once you have all your pieces, slide the handlebars onto the centre steering shaft, making sure the wheel, deck and handlebars are all straight. To help, place the scooter onto its stand, which can be found on the side of the deck. Remove the Allen key from the pack and tighten the two screws shown here on the handlebar. You will need to tighten the first screw, then the second screw, and repeat this until both are tight. Once you have assembled the handlebars, remove the charger from the pack. You need to allow for a full charge overnight before use, using the Razor approved charger and inserting as shown into the charging port here. Once charged, check the scooter turns on shown here. For your scooter to work, you will need to follow 4 steps with your scooter switched on. Kickstart your scooter to 3 miles an hour, twist the throttle and engage the motor. This is demonstrated here. You have now assembled your Razor Power Core E100 scooter.